back to our online program from American Bridge International School with teacher Samdy again. How are you everyone? You're fine, right? Okay, great job, teacher, also good. Everyone, do you have breakfast already? Already, right? Excellent, everyone. So remember, every morning before you start our class, you need to, eat or have breakfast first, okay? Excellent, everyone. Alright, can you tell me what day is today? Yes, correct. Today is Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday. What about the month, everyone? What is the month? Yes, the month is August. And the date is what? Yes, the date is 12 and the year is 2021. Okay, great job everyone. Alright, can you tell me how many days of the week, everyone? How many days? Great job. You are right, everyone. There are 7 days of the week. Okay, 7 days of the week. What are they, everyone? Excellent. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So again, everyone, there are 7 days of the week. Great job. Alright, everyone. So every Thursday lesson, we always study about our what? Yes, our jungle phonics subject. Do you have this textbook, everyone? Great job. Make sure you have it on your table right now, okay? Excellent, everyone. So today we gonna continue our lesson together. But before we start our new lesson, let's review what we have learned first. Who remember what did we learn from our jungle phonics last session, everyone? Great job. We have learned about the sound. Sound what? Sound what, everyone? Louder, please. Yes, sound A. Okay. A. Okay, we have learned about the sound A from letter A. Okay. A. Great job, everyone. And do you remember how many words that we learned from our sound A? Correct. 3 words. What were they, everyone? Great job. They were and. Okay. And. They were and. And. Good. And the second word is correct. Apple. Okay. Apple. Okay. What about the third word? Correct. Third word is alligator. Okay. Alligator. Great job, everyone. Wow, you remember it so well. Now look at all those 3 pictures together. You see it, right? Great job. Now look at the first picture. Can you tell me what is this, everyone? What? What is this picture? Great job. This is ant. Excellent. Everyone, can you spell ant? Okay, excellent. Ant, A-N-T, ant. So this is ant. Great job, everyone. What about the second picture? What is this, everyone? What? Correct. This is apple. Okay, great job, everyone. Who can spell apple? Let's spell it. Excellent. You spell correctly, everyone. Apple. Excellent. What about the last picture? What is this, everyone? Great job. This is alligator. Okay, alligator. Who can spell alligator? Let's spell it. Excellent, you spell correctly, everyone. Alligator. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. Wow, clap your hand for yourself. You can remember all of these three words well. Excellent, everyone. So today we're gonna learn another new sound. Can you guess what is the new sound for today's lesson, everyone? Great job. After sound A with letter A, we will learn, yes, the next sound with sound what? Correct, sound B with letter B. Okay, we're gonna learn about sound B, 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 B. Excellent, everyone. We will learn about our sound B for today's lesson, right? Okay, excellent, everyone. So now teacher want you to open your Jungle Phonics textbook on page 12 together. Great job, everyone. Now are you on page 12? What do you see? Yes, as you can see here is our sound B. Okay, sound B with letter B. And we're gonna learn three words from our sound B as well, right? Okay, excellent. So look at the first picture. What is this, everyone? Okay, great job. You are right. This is bear. Okay, this is bear. The first picture is bear. What about the second picture? Yes, great job. The second picture is what? Yes, ball. Okay, we always kick the ball, right? Play with the ball. So this is ball. Okay, ball. What about the last picture? Yes, the last picture is buck. Okay, buck. Excellent, everyone. Buck. So now teacher want you to listen to our audio track together related to our sound. But everyone, now enjoy listening.
Track 6. Listen, point, and repeat.
B, B, B.
B, B, B.
B, B, bear.
B, B, bear.
B, B, ball.
B, B, ball.
B, B, bug.
B, B, bug.
Excellent, everyone. You finished listening to our audio track, right? Great job. Did you repeat after them? Excellent. Alright, now let's see the picture of our three words. For the first picture, can you tell me what is this, everyone? Great job. This is what? Yes, bear. Okay, this is bear. Bear. Together, everyone. Excellent. One more time. Bear. Correct. So this is bear. Bear. Okay, great job, everyone. Do you like bear? Okay, excellent. All right, bear. One more time. Bear. Good. Again, everyone, what is this? Bear. Correct. This is bear. What about the second picture? What is this, everyone? Excellent. This is ball. Okay, ball. Ball. Together, everyone. Ball. Great job. Alright. Do you like playing ball, everyone? Good. Just like you play football, right? Have you ever kicked the ball? Great job. Alright. So this is ball. Ball. Together again, everyone. Ball. Correct. Okay. After ball is the last picture is what? Buck. Correct. This is buck. 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 Together, everyone. Buck. Okay, great job. Buck is so cute, right? Okay, great job, everyone. Buck. Okay, again, everyone. The first picture is Bear. Correct. The first one is bear. Now, please. Yes, please spell together, everyone. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. One more time. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Okay, now your turn, everyone. Please read and spell the word bear. Excellent. Just spell correctly, everyone. Bear. What is this, everyone? Correct. Bear. Great job, everyone. What about the second picture? What is this? Correct. This is ball. Ball. Let's spell the word ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. One more time. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Great job, everyone. Now your turn. Please read and spell together. Excellent. Just spell correctly, everyone. What is this? Ball. Great job. This is ball. Okay. And the last picture is buck. Correct. It's buck. Buck. Together, everyone. Buck. Correct. Let's spell the word buck. B-U-G. Buck. One more time. Buck. B-U-G. Buck. Together, everyone. Great job, everyone. All right, buck. What is this? Yes, this is a buck. Excellent, everyone. Wow, everyone, you're so clever. All right, everyone, thank you so much. So now our first session for today finished. Everyone, enjoy your break time. Goodbye. See you in the second session. Bye-bye.